So we have our QSP and PPP page. What do we do first? What's our step one? Very good, yes. Step one, always QSP. What do we do with our QSP? Analyze, very good, and unpack. What is thwarting? What do you think the root word is? Thwart, yes. Thwarting a pickpocket's plan. What do you think the meaning is? Ruining, okay. Spoiling, good. Uncovering, yes. Thwarting is actually to prevent someone's plan. How do you prevent a pickpocket?
By telling the victim to be more alert. Always keep your things in a safe place.
Those are very good examples. And what's our step two?
Following points.
Very good, yes.
Where were you when the incident happened?
Where do you think is the best place?
Abandoned
Right, right? Who will be our pickpocket?
You.
Oh no. And we'll go to jail based on Hapapoli. What kind of location should you choose when writing? Crowded, very good. Good adjective. Now give me crowded places. Streets. Mall. Okay. Usually crowded during rush hour.
The train. Wait. How did you not saying you also means it in a first person, right? Like you. How is that first person?
Yes, very good. You actually notice that. And you have to write it in the first person, which is I. How about, for example, you're actually witnessing the pickpockets getting something from someone's bag. What will you do?
That the wrong.
What? Is that the cover? Okay, you're not actually brave. You will just stand up and just...
It's too dangerous.
Too dangerous, very good. Okay, so what will you do?
I
If you're your age, primary 3, what tell your parents? If, for example, you're alone, what will you do?
I won't be alone.
You won't be alone. So imagine you are alone. Tell the person. You will call the
Just
person.
like tell other people.
Tell other people. So you will ask us. How did you and the people involved feel about the incident?
Very angry,
Thanks.
shocked.
Very good. Angry phrase or shock phrase. So you just imagine yourself first. If I am angry, how would I react? How would my face look like? How will my body react? Will I shake? Will I tremble? My face turned red. Okay, yes. What happened in the end?
Something happened.
How do you think the ending will go? After considering your following points, what do we do next?
Look at the picture.
Pictures, yes. The PPPs.
And analyzing.
What is PPP again?
Picture besides frame.
Very good. Where's the first photo?
Pregnant.
Can we use this for our story?
Yes.
Second photo.
Someone running. The sleep was running.
And last photo is we have class practice, right? Where you got full marks and she actually used last year's story. Yeah, the blackout story. Yes. We can adapt stories to different composition questions. And for sure, you will definitely can do it.
Yes!
Especially both of you. Does very well during final recap. You actually memorize your phrases. Okay, so using those phrases can actually elevate your content marks.